So what we need to do is, as the speakers or the panelists are discussing, make sure you write down all your questions, pass them on to the ushers, and the usher will get the questions onto us in the interest of time. Because there's a possibility that the questions might overlap, so that those that are going to address the questions will have to sort them out and know how to combine the questions and respond. Right now, if you do have anything that syncs or dinks or reminds you about a schedule, please turn it off or put it on vibrate. Your cell phone should not come up to interrupt your listening or your note-taking time. So please do that. Without further ado at this time, I'm going to welcome our first speaker. You know our first speaker very well. She's Pastor Deborah Ibene-Jesu, Deputy Senior Pastor, World Assembly Worldwide. Please rise and welcome.
Praise the Lord. You may be seated. Amen. Hallelujah. Do me a favor.